Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Okcupid app not working in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak connection can prevent Okcupid from loading. Step 2. Force close the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to open the app switcher. Then find Okcupid, then swipe it up to close it completely. Then reopen the app and see if the issue is fixed. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. If the app still isn't working, restart your phone. This clears temporary system glitch that may affect app performance. Step 4. Update the OkCupid. First go to the App Store, then search for the app. If an update is available, install it, and outdated apps often crash or fail to load. Step 5. Check for iOS updates. First go to the settings, then general, then software update. If an update is available, install it. Some apps won't work properly on older iOS version. Step 6. Delete and reinstall the app. If nothing works, delete OkCupid from your phone, restart your phone, then reinstall the app from the App Store and log back in. And that's how you can fix OkCupid app not working. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.